Angiyok, the Arctic Experience, is the new attraction in the heart of downtown Berlin. Built from 60 tons of ice and a suitable place for having a drink. Can be experienced at -10 degrees or 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Movinglight-design was a technical integrator, and we delivered a big video wall with a solution of 8K in the lounge area. The decision to use Userful was based on the requirements of our client. 8K resolution, 60 frames per second, digital signage software, user-friendly interface, API gateways, open-minded development company, minimum use of hardware to keep the costs in the frame. We also looked at alternatives, but in the end, Userful had the best price-value ratio on every criteria. The Userful software provides a simple way to manage different types of content on a video wall. The software is very reliable and stable. To set up Userful rapidly, the main part for the installation was done in advance in order to keep the time of installation at the minimum, which was a great advantage. Userful has a wide range of detailed documentations online, which are very helpful to configure the setup. The customer didn't need much time or training in order to be able to use the solution with proficiency. This is a key benefit for the solution. High usability for us and for the customer. Our client in Berlin can manage the administration and content on his own. He's very happy about that. They have a technical specialist which is responsible for the video wall. Having a big video wall directly at the entrance is an amazing eye-catcher. It is still the video wall with the highest resolution in Berlin. Working with Userful was a great pleasure for us, and there was always a constructive collaboration between Userful and Movinglight-design. With Userful, we found a trustful partner when it comes to video walls. Open-minded, good support and ready to go the extra mile.